Not tired, but like I'm getting really tired.
Dimple's live has been hacked.
Guys, go
Who am I, guys?
Yeah.
Who am I? Who am I?
How about Bowie next?
I can't even see. I'm the like. They're so quiet. We happy Wednesday. Wednesday's going out on a Friday.
You know what I'm saying?
Wednesday's going out on a Friday. Wednesday's going out on a Friday. Guys.
I'm life queens. You guys feeling it? I'm like an opium cowboy. That was the intro. Yo, I hate being South African, guys. I was just doing this. Okay, come show you your outfit. I'm scared to give 360 because my ass is out and then TikTok bans you and then they're asking where Wade got her Wednesday costume. Skirt the size of a belt.
Who, me?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Hi guys. I got my outfit from Fashion Nova. Yeah.
And it's not even a skirt, Chumi.
That's
None of
like
us.
what?
They saying our skirts are the size of
Oh, yeah.
Time, it's not even skirts. When are the vlogs coming? Guys, can you just enjoy the live?
How about that? Live in the moment. Live it. Appreciate what you currently have.
Can we enjoy the live? Yeah, there's 2 more costumes you guys haven't seen. I was feeling insecure about my outfit and then... Why were you feeling insecure about your outfit? It's because I saw Wednesday and I was like, fuck, I didn't
I wanted to change my outfit the moment you guys walked in. I was like, I have other outfits. Maybe.
Wednesday, I was like, Wednesday, you did it. Wednesday, shame. Wednesday, you did it. Jinx, they're asking for you. Please come show them your outfit.
Jinxie. Okay, guys. So,
Jinxie. There's so much going on right now.
So I'm contemplating if I should wear a cloak. I think
She shouldn't. Say no.
if I turn around, you're gonna get banned. So
No, turn around. Let's go.
the point.
One night of the year.
Oh shit! There's my.
I'm a cat.
Show me. Can you hold your phone for a second? I wanna open my bag.
We are going to a Halloween party. I'm an angel. As usual. Where's my outfit? Okay. Let me put you down here. Hey guys, my outfit. Me? Yes. It's the fit.
We got a cowgirl. We got
We're a
two
cat.
angels. We have
I'm a cat.
Wednesday herself. Wednesday and
We have
Wednesday. We got a Wednesday and home, honey.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
I just need a whip. Thank you, gorgeous.
Show me with your phone.
Oh, I put it
Oh.
Let's just show
We
the
need a
back.
lasso.
I need a whip, guys. That's what I'm shorting.
A what?
A whip.
You know who has a whip? Did you see Rebel's outfit?
Yes! Him having two outfits.
No, but him also being a cow. You guys should have taken TikToks together.
Yes.
Because you guys have cowgirl and cowboy.
It would have been so cute. I'll give you guys a quick 360. I don't know if she's my mom. Guys, where's
No,
Jinx?
I
She's
was
getting
like
ready.
this.
Jinx, they're actually really stressed out. That she's here. Show me.
Sorry, guys.
Can I please borrow? Do you have like a white tooth comb? Yeah. In that basket.
I need to get my lip liner.
It's basically one line. It's bright pink, but it's purple.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, this is in mine.
Workout routine. Are you guys asking Dumpo? It's $100 ebook. Nothing is Mahala in life. She worked for the body. You guys are gonna pay
Just gonna pay for
and
the.
work to get the routine. $100 ebook.
She's cooking though, like for real. Why should I give it to you guys for free? You can do me 2 braids for free.
You can do me 2 braids for free.
It's not like I'm asking you to do nothing to my ass, but
You can do me 2 braids for free.
braids for free.
TikTok camera is so cheap.
Nah, it really is. It really is.
And Shamino, Instagram needs to up their game. I fear.
But Instagram used to have the best camera. I used to take my pictures now, but look how it looks there. It's like also good. It's just
It's also
different
good, but I feel like this one is like crisp.
Zuckerberg is busy lollygagging. Marcus is busy lollygagging.
He's trying to compete with TikTok.
He's trying to
that's
compete
why.
with TikTok. Be yourself. Be
You don't talk like that. You don't
You
walk
don't talk
like
like
that.
that. You don't act like that.
Outfit is thank you time.
Yes, Kira, guys.
It's just
My life has been crashing out.
oh Kira, wow, you look so beautiful, girl.
So should we have motion, y'all? Amen. Go down. Yo, act bad, act bad, act bad.
Literally. Where are your wings?
Yeah, the wings are actually the fool.
Put them on.
Put them on.
Telling me they're there. Put them on. Put them on.
Hi, my sizzle. Hey, my sizzle. Yeah.
Where's the champagne?
Here's yours. Is this hers? Thanks, sweetie. Where's my bag? I need to redo lip combo. Yeah.
You know what's so crazy? The punk one is the one that's not wearing black.
That's so crazy.
Yeah.
That's the gag.
That's the gag here. That's the gag.
So where's everyone from?
So where's everyone from?
Where's everyone from? I wanted to see your outfit because we're matching high key. We're like polar opposites. Black cat, golden retriever. Light angel, dark angel. Wow, this hair needs. Okay, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna go now. I've been saying I'm gonna go.
When are we leaving, y'all?
I don't know.
I'm getting tired of loitering. I'm getting so tired of loitering. I'm so tired of loitering.
It's time for us to go. We love you too. Should I keep the mats?
Yes, Dalu. Lies. Dalu on your life. That is so funny.
Party
Dude, we're about to leave to go to your party.
that you're not at.
We're not at.
I see how guys. Okay, no, let's actually lock it up. Shut up, guys. We're not stressed out.
How's my lash falling?
Where are we going? Waterfall Equestrian Estate? Yes.
Yo,
That's so far away.
not reacting our live, our location on the live.
I'm not gonna get in.
You're not gonna get in.
You're not gonna get in. Sorry. They got guns outside.
This angle is really unflattering. Do you guys think I need to fix my lash on the side?
Wait, oh no, I don't see anything.
On this eye?
Which one? Doesn't
I'm fine.
I can't see it.
your head pretty much covered?
This way?
Yeah. It's right here, Joel. Hey, Lazo. Yamagena. It's so bad.
This is why. I
This is
become
why.
a wretched ghetto hoe. Like I said.
Fifi, where did I put the lighter?
I'm no more classy. Like.
Fifi, did you see where I put the lighter?
Oh shit! I packed it. My bad.
No, don't worry. I don't know where all of my
bad.
lighters went. Thoughts on Ken Costa's new song? I don't listen to him like that. Sorry.
Okay, I booked the Uber. Alright.
How much did Senji?
Done. Okay.
This lighting's the worst thing for my life.
$99.
$99.
$99.
It's 400 rand.
Yellow.
That's so insanity.
That is so crazy.
That is so
Okay,
crazy.
also,
Guys, the place we're going is so
far.
far.
But we're not fucking going to Pretoria. Like 400 rand is crazy. Oh, it's also a van.
Yo.
Let me stand. The way I wanted to sit so bad, Mara, it does. Yeah,
I'm gonna get the mega camera. Mara. Fill up.
do you have space in your bag?
I also took mine.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
so you think one camera is enough?
Yeah, I think one hand.
Okay.
Very real.
This is the one.
It's the real thing. And I got it for 75 rand.
Where?
It was on sale at the Sativa. That place. It was on sale.
Oh, wait,
Everything was half off. Except Johnny. Their gas is also really good.
Can I see your full outfit, please? I don't know who they're talking to. Jinx, thoughts on Ken Carson
18
new
new
song?
messages. That's
So
crazy.
cool, ma. Who do you listen to? Is the one coughing okay? Wait.
No, we're not.
Kidding, guys. I don't even know how to dance. Full outfit of you, please. Oh shit. These are my heels. Stripper heels. Oh my gosh, guys, do you like my heels? These are like my brass heels. I love these shoes so much.
They're so cool. They're so tea.
Right?
You should wear them
Right? They can't. Like,
You should wear them more often.
they scream, fuck you.
They also look comfortable.
They are. They are. They are. They are. I just hate. I'm scared of high heels because if you fall, your ankle.
Yeah, it's tried. It's finished.
It's never gonna be a slight thing. No.
You will never be the same again.
Never. Creator. Hi. Oh shit. Oh. Are Dims and Jinx sisters? No. Yes. Who are you? Okay. Play some piano. No, play some piano in your home. You look good, thank you. She's a fine chat. Where are the girlies? The girlies are here. The girlies.
They're all here.
I hear the girlies. Trimmy, can you please take me and Dimple like this? Right in the morning. Please.
And I dig it deeper.
minutes away.
Oh, I need to get drunk quick.
What's it called again?
Just type that lyric in. Okay.
Okay, James, I'm ready. Take
I'm
yours.
ready. Are we doing it with the shams? Can you record us, Michael?
Yes, we can.
The makeup is eating. Ass.
Okay.
Please also pull me.
Okay, it's okay. I'll handle myself.
No.
Is that mine? Is that yours? No, babe.
I have no idea. Is this
Oh, this one is mine.
Oh.
Oh no, I think this is mine. Oh, we have the same flavor.
yeah. No worries.
It's okay. It's not a house. Yo. Nothing like the characters from the episode.
Have you seen all the Sims guns?
Okay. Okay, can you take it?
Okay.
Oh shit, how do I get here?
What are you gonna say?
You started though, because my TikTok account, I like when I get stuff.
Okay.
You know, giving surprise act. I like when I get stuff. Wow, God. And people always say, we like this crossover. Okay.
So we're back to back.
Oh, but we need to give us space to be able to walk around.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 1, 2. Yeah, flash is nice. Okay, let's reduce the volume, eh?
Stop on your phone.
Who's phone?
Full bodies. Yeah. They're on the couch.
Oh man, I'm better not wearing. But I'm wearing shorts, guys.
Yeah, can you imagine? Okay.
Okay, but it doesn't have to be full body, just like half
Yeah.
though, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, wait. I forgot I didn't turn now.
No, you can start. Wake the ones step outside and then take
Sorry,
it.
yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
I actually can't go all the way around.
Yeah, okay, but let's see.
But this is so cute. But I also think we need to do one outside.
No, let's in the corridor.
Okay, real.
Yes, can you maybe quickly before the 6 minutes of the Uber arrives?
How fast the Uber?
4 minutes probably now.
Okay, let's go
Let's
quickly.
do quickly because that's like 30 seconds. Oh shit.
In the Tata beans.
Okay. I'm ready for me. I think we can use the Will you be in the car down here?
I think yeah.
Okay.
This space to go around. I don't like how low you guys are at all, actually. end the live. Bye, guys.